This video will introduce how to simplify USB compliance with our USB2 redriver solutions. Add USB2 redriver to your design for robust system performance. USB 2.0 is widely used interface that can be found in personal electronics, automotive, industrial, and enterprise systems. USB 2.0 supports up to 480 megabits per second high-speed data rate, as well as battery charging protocols. It is a DC-coupled system with wide signal swing. The data path usually has many passive devices such as switches and charging controllers. These factors can cause signal integrity challenges to pass the stringent IMAS specification for USB 2.0 compliance. To overcome USB 2 design challenges, we created a series of USB 2 redriver to help system pass compliance. TUSB212 is the world's first USB 2 redriver with very small form factor, 1.6 mm by 1.6 mm. It can help system pass USB compliance with 2-meter cable. TUSB212 and TUSB214 are pin-to-pin with TUSB211 with doubled driving strength, capable of driving 4-meter cables while passing USB 2.0 compliance. TUSB214 adding BC1.2 CDP feature, eliminating external BC1.2 charging controller. TUSB213 and TUSB215 are pin-to-pin with RGY automotive-friendly package with the same performance as TUSB212 and TUSB214. TUSB217 is the latest automotive-qualified USB 2.0 redriver with further performance enhancement. It can compensate signal loss over 5-meter cable while passing USB and Apple CarPlay compliance. It is an efficient solution for automotive head unit and media hub convenience port applications. TUSB217Q1 is automotive qualified with bidirectional redriving and low power consumption. It operates within -40 to 105 C temperature range. Wide VCC range from 2.3 volt to 6.5 volt eliminates external LDO as VCC can be sourced directly from VBus. Pin strap configuration for EQ and boost settings reduce design complexity. TUSB217 is also pin-to-pin with TUSB213 and TUSB215. Multiple TUSB217 redrivers can be daisy-chained for high-loss applications. TUSB217 enables robust interoperability for CarPlay and Android Auto. It can pass required CarPlay test with up to 5-meter cable. The long cable reach enables data transferring and battery charging at anywhere in a car. Whether to use a signal conditioner in a system design has always been a debate at the initial board design due to cost and space constraints. TUSB212 has ultra-small package of 1.6 mm by 1.6 mm footprint. It does not break USB 2.0 trace or protocol. The flow-through trace routing feature enables designer to design one board that can be used either with or without TUSB212 redriver mounted on top. So if initial design cannot determine whether a redriver will be needed, build a board without redriver first. If system cannot pass compliance, TUSB212 can be easily added to the PCB without board respin to achieve instant USB compliance. Comparing to retimer or hub, redriver is much simpler and lower cost to design with. Retimer or hub may need extra components such as external crystal or other reference clock source, while redriver does not need. Redriver has very low latency, while retimer or hub has high latency, which may cause interoperability issue with other devices. TUSB21X USB 2 redrivers are transparent to USB 2 protocol without breaking D+ and D- lines, provide seamless communication between host and device while improving the signal quality. Comparing to hub, USB2 redriver supports host flip and OTG, which is required for many applications. Flow-through trace routing is a unique feature with TUSB212 over hub or retimer that enables same board design with or without redriver, greatly simplify the design and enable system flexibility. TUSB212X redriver is the simplest and most efficient USB2 signal conditioning solution. We are the only vendor offering this highly differentiated technology to the market today. The downstream connector of a remote port must pass USB 2.0 high-speed compliance eye diagram testing using the near-end mask for consumer and automotive applications. Here is an example eye diagram before and after TUSB213 redriver over a 3-meter USB cable. Without the redriver, eye diagram failed the compliance at the remote port. By adding TUSB213 at the end of 3-meter cable, the eye opens up with good margin to pass compliance. The TUSB217 can be used in a remote port application to overcome signal integrity issues to pass USB 2.0 electrical compliance testing and improve interoperability. Without the redriver, the eye diagram starts to fail from 2-meter or longer cable. The TUSB217 can be configured using only one equalization setting capable of producing a compliance eye diagram with pre-channel cable length from 20 cm up to 5 meter. Here shows eye opening after 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, and 5 meter cables using TUSB217 at the end of the cables. The USB 2 specification limits the length of the cable between USB 2.0 device to 5 meters. Able to pass compliance over 5-meter cable enable TUSB217 to have the same performance as USB hub, but with small footprint, lower power consumption, and better design flexibility. To make design easy, TIDA 01432 can be leveraged from TI.com. It is automotive media hub with charging and enhanced data path performance reference design. By using TUSB213 between Type-C connector and the internal USB port, this reference design can support 3-meter cable while passing USB compliance. This TI design is applicable with TUSB217 as well, since TUSB217 is pin-to-pin with TUSB213, which can enable longer cable lengths and also pass Apple CarPlay compliance. This design can be used in automotive head unit and remote media hub applications. Our USB 2 redriver family provides highly efficient signal conditioning solution for wide variety of applications to achieve instant USB compliance. TUSB217 is the high-performance redriver capable of recovering signal loss from a 5-meter cable while passing USB and CarPlay compliance. TUSB212 has small footprint with flow-through trace routing, ease the design effort, and help achieving instant USB compliance. You can download datasheet, request samples, and EVMs from TUSB217 and the TUSB212 product folder in TI.com and apply the USB to your redriver in your next design to achieve robust performance with instant USB compliance.